Hi guys, this is me Adraja, and for those of you who don't know me, let me give a short introduction. So I was the topper in both 10th and 12th for CBSE board exams. I got 98.6 percentage in 10th and I also got 95.4 percentage in 12th. So here is my 10th marks card. I were you, I would choose smart work over hard work. And what is this smart work? Smart work is choosing to study only the important topics. And how will you identify these important topics? It is from the past year question papers of the past 10 years. So take any past year question paper. Where are you going to find these past year question papers? They are present in very good quality Oswal and Arihant books. So I have made a special PDF with the link of both these books. So just comment down PDF. Also make sure that you join my Telegram channel for the 10th board exams to give you all the updates regarding board exams, topper tips and tricks and hacks and answer writing skills. Everything I'm going to put over there along with the free resources that you can use for your 10th board exams. So I'll put the link in the comments and the description to join my Telegram channel. So I'm stressing on PYQs so much because there is always a chance that they will be repeated. So in the past, almost since board exams have begun, questions have been repeating. And imagine if you've practiced the past year questions of the past 10 years from 2016 to 25 maybe, you will be on a higher edge because more than 5 to 7 questions can be repeated in any subject. So trust me, practicing the past year question papers gives you a very high upper hand. So after finishing NCERT and solving the past year question papers, this is more than enough to get you a 90 plus percentage. And trust me, it's very easy if you give full hard work and dedication. You should focus on giving it in an exam environment. And by this, I mean solving the exam like a mock paper. So you can give the exam of like in 3 hours, suppose on a Sunday, you take any past year question paper, solve it fully in 3 hours. Just close the door, nobody should come in, just you and your paper, and focus on how you're going to write the answers. So writing the answers is a separate topper skill that I need a separate video to explain, because it's like an art how to write your answers, underline keywords, so that the invigilator catches the attention of your paper in all those 1,000 papers. So that is a separate video which I'm going to put up really soon for your help. So make sure you do subscribe to my channel for that. And after writing your answers in that 3 hour time gap, you'll understand how fast I am, where am I missing. And after writing your answers, you can give it to someone to evaluate, like your friend, for example, who is preparing for the same exam. On to NCERT Exemplar. So this I have also created in the PDF. I've given the free link for all the NCERT Exemplar of Science and Maths. So over there you get all the topic wise exemplar level questions from NCERT official website is only, and then you can solve that also. That is basically for targeting 95 plus percentage. To give you that extra edge of becoming a topper, you use that. So I scored 491 out of 500 marks to get 98.6 percentage. So that's like basically I just missed 2 or 3 marks here and there, and in English and Hindi mainly because they are language subjects. But on science, maths and social, you should focus on getting 100 if you're focusing on becoming like 98 plus. So for 90 plus, it's very easy to score. Trust me, if you give your hard work for these 2 months, anyone can score it. And I just wanted that this video would be like a motivation for you to start your preparation journey with me, and just share your results or whatever doubts you have or anything that I can help you out. I'll be glad to help you out for that. And just subscribe to my channel and also stay tuned to my Telegram for more updates. So just keep your phone and social media aside for these 2 months, like for example Instagram, because it can be a huge distraction. And trust me, you will see the changes, your friends will see the changes after 2 months, and your parents will be proud. So to make that big change, to make your dream come true, just give up your distractions for these 2 months, and trust me, like a big sister, you'll make it really big. And by really big, I mean it'll be the best day of your life once you get your 10th board exam marks. So first do your weak subjects and then move on to your strong subjects. So I would not compromise on my sleep and what I eat and what I drink during this time. So drink plenty of water and have healthy food, because it's very important to keep your mind stimulated. And exercise, I can't stress how important it is to get that fresh air. So go outside your bedroom and get that fresh air. I would say that just give it your all for these 2 months and you will definitely see the changes. And I'm here for you for whatever you need, because I know giving exams for the first time in your life can be really stressful. But if anyone is putting pressure on you, please just keep aside everyone. It's you and your paper at the end of the day, and it's you who's going to make it throughout your board exams. So I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, make sure you do like it and share it with your friends so that it helps them out too. Thank you for watching. This is Adija Didi signing off. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.